Autumn Crochet friends! I'm back with cozy crochet tutorial using leftover yarn scraps. Today we're making these simple fall leaves that are perfect for decorating all kind of projects. Quick, easy, and great way to use up your yarn bits. Let's crochet together. Start with a slip knot on your hook and chain 15. 1, 2, 3. As I mentioned to you, you can use your leftover yarns. You can use any type of the yarn you like. I'm using my scrap yarn, the cotton yarn with 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. You must use the hook that's suitable with your chosen yarn. Okay, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make a single crochet in there. After that, make one single crochet into each next 2 stitches. Now we're gonna make a half double crochet in the next stitch. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the stitch, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through all 3 loops. For making double crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the stitch, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Here is our double crochet. For treble crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2, grab a yarn, pull through 2, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Here is our treble crochet. Now we're gonna make 1 treble crochet into each next 4 stitches plus the previous one. The total of our treble will be 5 treble crochet. Okay, third one. Now we're gonna make the 4th treble crochet. We need one more. Now we're gonna make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and now make 5 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 1 single crochet next stitch, half double crochet next stitch, 1 double crochet next stitch. Now we're gonna make a 1 treble crochet into each next 5 stitches, just like the other side. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 half double crochet in next stitch, 1 single crochet into each next 3 stitches. Now we're gonna make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Insert your hook into the second chain, make a slip stitch in there. Now we're gonna make 1 slip stitch into each next 3 stitches. Okay, and 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet here. Okay, here is our leaf. Now I'm gonna cut the yarn and fasten off. I'll do it by needle. You can use your hook for ending your row, but trust me, it's the perfect way to ending your row, that you get help with the needle. Is the first, second, and third stitch. Insert your hook, needle inside it, insert it again inside the first stitch, bring it out, and that's it. Here is my ending of row. Okay, now I'm gonna secure it between the stitches in the wrong side, just moving between the stitches very slowly. And that's it. If you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed yet, and if you like this video and if you're interested in leftover yarns, you can check out my channel, and if you like it, I'd be happy to have you here in my little crochet family. Your support really means a lot to me. If you made my projects, I'll be happy that you send a picture of them in my email address or my other social medias. You can find the address and a link of them in description below or my bio of channel. Okay, in the end, cut the tail of the yarns very close to the sewing. Okay, and that's it. Our cute leaf is ready. Isn't it adorable? The best part is you can use it with many different ways. Add these leaves to your fall garlands, decorate your cozy projects, or even pair them with pumpkins. Let me show you. Like this. Isn't it pretty? I can't wait to see how you use your leaves. Don't forget to share your creation with me, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that subscribe button for more cozy crochet ideas. Love you all. Bye.